Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove customers from your Zoho book, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you just need to go over here to the sales panel. Into the sections of sales you will find out these customer options. Just go to this customers panel and then select any of them, or you can select both of them. So once you click over here, then you can see we already get a toolbar where you will get a couple of options like mark as inactive, mark as active, or merge, then associate template, whatever. Then you will find out that options, three dot button, it's called more action. Just select this one, and here actually you will find out the delete option. Just click over that place, and do you want to delete the selected context? Yes, just click delete again, and it will be marked as inactive also, and it already been inactive here. This is the easiest way to delete your customer name or customer from your Zoho book. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.